Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. As you all know, my mission is to end chronic pain, and I did a video before, actually a couple videos about sleeping, because sleeping is very important when it comes to ending pain. Why? It's because during deep sleep is when we heal the most. All right, so there were a couple videos that I did before. One is what's the best position to sleep in, which is going to be on your back, and another one is if you cannot sleep on your back, and some of my patients told me they can only sleep on the stomach. Now I have other patients who still tells me I cannot sleep in either of those positions. I can only sleep on my side. All right, so in this video I will show you how can you sleep comfortably on your side, or what's the best way to sleep on your side. Okay, so for that we will use 3 pillows. It may sound a lot, but you'll see later. The 2 of them you can actually replace with 1 long body pillow if you have that instead. So this will be for the neck. So let's say I'm lying on my side. I'll be lying down this way, so this will support my head. All right, now these 2, where do we put it? It's gonna be between your knees, and this one will be, between your arms like this. So if you're sleeping on this side, you can be lying like this. Now, like I mentioned, these 2, you can actually replace this with one of those big long body pillows. They sell them in Target, Walmart, in those places. So you can actually replace it with that. So this way, your arm will be supported, so it's not really crossing if you don't have this, and your legs also, so your hip will not be crossing like this. All right, so you can sleep comfortably. Everything will be in the middle. It will be aligned in a good position. Okay, so that's the best way to sleep. That's what I would recommend if you're lying on your side. Okay, now if you do have pain and it makes it difficult for you to sleep or to function, I suggest giving us a call, or you can set up an appointment through our website or email us. That way we'll see how we can help you. We can set you up with an appointment, and then we'll be able to help you out there. All right, so if you like this video, feel free to share this with your friends, family, people you know. You can follow us on Instagram or like us on Facebook, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, until the next one, thank you and bye.